No, that's strategic. Now that's an API. It gives you this impression that yes, I will connect with you, but I will do it in such a way that does not crash my entire operating system. Make it to a point na dili ka mag-crash. No, because what's running on this system is kanang important gid na. Wala yun na sa imong kuan, imong entirety of your being. Wow. So when you define your API, you're not being selfish. You're being a good steward of your time. Of yeah, which is the most important resource. Time, then the love, the energy that you've been given to what run your purpose. Wow. So this week, so what am I gonna do this week? I'm auditing my personal API. So check the docs, no? Check the docs mo. Always din na nimo i-basaha ang docs, no? As what my previous senior developer once said. Tanaw lang dito sa docs, read your docs, no? Check the docs. Or in sa live group ko, or shout out to Nathan by the way. Fellow Nathan. Yeah. Memory verse. Read the word. No? Read your Bible. No? Basahin mo yung Bible. No? And see what endpoints are getting spammed. No? Spam. No? SPAM. No? Spam. Kantahin ko sana yung AGLEP. Pero no, that's not math. Anyway, seeing what endpoints are getting spammed and which ones need better authentication. Maybe it's something you need to think about that too.